Meanwhile, former U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder now says Edward Snowden performed a public service by leaking classified information regarding government surveillance. But in a podcast with CNN commentator David Axelrod, Holder also said that the former NSA contractor should still stand trial for his actions.
We can certainly argue about the way in which Snowden did what he did, but I think that he actually performed a public service by raising the debate that we engaged in and by the changes that we made. Now, I would say that doing what he did, the way he did it, was inappropriate and illegal. Maybe could have gone to Congress and done these kinds of things. But I think
he would argue that he tried various ways and couldn't. But what should be done with him now?
Well, I think that he's got to make a decision. He's broken the law in my view. He needs to get lawyers, come on back and decide see what he wants to do. Go to trial, try to cut a deal. I think there has to be a consequence for what he has done. But I think in deciding what an appropriate sentence should be, I think a judge could take into account the usefulness of having had that national debate.
Holder said that Snowden's leaks hurt U.S. interests abroad and put intelligent assets at risk. Snowden, again, now lives in Russia. He faces charges in the U.S. that could send him to prison for up to 30 years.